Today we are customizing bunk beds for the girls' room. We're gonna show you how to do it. Found these MDF scallop pieces on Etsy, and we're gonna try to attach them to the bunk bed pieces with this thinner piece of wood here.
I've just taken a 1x1 and I've cut it down to size, and then I've measured out on the bottom where I want it to line up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it all lined up, and then I'm going to clamp it, and then I'm going to use my finish nailer to nail this board in place. Then once that is in place, then I attach the scallop to the 1x1 that I just put on, and then it'll be ready to paint. I'm just adding a little bit of glue to the bottom. It'll just make it a little bit stronger. It may not be necessary, but it's such an easy step. Use a little bit of wood filler to just fill in all the nail holes, and then I'll come back through and sand it all flush.
So now I gotta bring all these pieces upstairs to assemble. This is a little bit too small, the pole I'm using, so I'm gonna just use a drill bit to make the hole a little larger. Perfect.